Hello. So I made this simple game. It's the name of the game is, what's that? I'm gonna go check. I put on my young ones photo. Here. So the name is Troy Playground. This is a completely individual project, so I did it all by myself. My project code works like this. This is the project code explanation video. If you want to see it in action, then you have to go to the other video. So, these are the definitions. I'll get to them later. This huge definition is the whole game. So cash is equal to starting cash, shares is equal to 0, and price is equal to round, random, to uniform, 50, 150, 2. And the shares should be set to 0, obviously, because you won't want like a gajillion shares at the start. And the cash is the starting cash, which is defined here. To change the starting cash, you can just change it right here. And then it'll say cash, starting cash, print. And all these emojis are all Windows 11 emojis. And this is not publicly shared. This is all, sorry, forget that. I was just talking about like copyright stuff. If you don't know what copyright is, then you don't need to know what copyright is. But here, for I in range, the days, you should do the loop. So price equals to this. It's the same thing as that. And then the print status, it just, so this is what it is. It takes the day, the price, the cash, and the shares, and it prints it in a nice way. And then it does this. It asks the user to choose an action, buy, sell, or hold. If you select buy, it checks if the cash is equal to or greater than the price. If it is, then the cash is equal to the cash minus the price, and it should print a tick mark. You bought one stock for the price. Shares equal to share plus 1. Shares plus 1. Or if you don't, print X. You need the price of the item, dollars for the stock, balance, and then your balance. If it's sell, then if shares are less than or equal to 0, you need one or more shares. You need one or more shares. And if shares are equal to shares minus 1, else you should just do that. And then print you sold one stock. And if it's hold, you just say day held. And then at the end, day is equal to day plus 1. Down here is where if days is equal to 0, final. And then if I scroll up and get the final function, it should final value. So the simulation over, and it's like an end flaggy symbol. Print status, days, price, cash, and shares. Print, so it should have like a purse, final portfolio value, final value. Final value minus starting cash. Profit is equal to final value minus starting cash. Profit is greater than 0, then it should say you made profit of the amount of money. But if profit is less than 0, you lost some profit. And else it should just print you broke even with that emoji. So, and this is my code, so I'll just exit my video, and that's the code.